makeup lovers, let's get started with this eye look. It's going to be a Mehndi look, so I will be wearing an outfit in the same colors and I will be sharing more pictures with you. I have done rest of my face, my highlighter is left and my other eye is left. So let's get started. I have primed my eye. We will be creating a crease here, and for that we will be using the browns from this kit. So this is basically the shades that we will stay in, the shade range that we will stay in. I'll start with the lightest and I will go into the crease. Going down as well. Started with a very big brush because I'm not focusing for color deposition at the moment. I'm only creating a nice crease and shape for my eye. So the first step. Now I'll be going for a shade which is darker than this one. I will go in this one. Going down, coming in, coming out. To change my brush, I will switch to a thinner, rounder, finer brush, and then I will go right into the crease and the outer way. Like this. A fluffier brush and blend out the corners. In with the darkest color again and create the darkness. With this brown, which is by Melted Shadow and my favorite brown, gives a very nice enhancement to the eye. I will go in, and if you will compare, it's almost the same brown that I used on the other eye. I will keep on going down and out. Keep on doing it many times unless you have the desired color effect. See, like this. Then I will go in a bit on the outer edge. We will be using is actually a metallic shade by P. Louis. This is the one. I'm going to use this glitter, which is like the exact shape as this one, and I'm going to use the glitter glue, which is two-faced glitter glue. Take this brush. I am creating a nice mapping. I know where to start and where to stop. When this mapping is done, I will take, this is by Inglot 45S. These are used for glitters. You dip it in the glitter glue and then you dip it in the glitter and you tap off the excess and slowly you start putting it on the eye like this, what I am doing. See, I will take some more glitter glue and take a little bit, just a little bit, dip it again in the glitter glue, then into the glitter, tap off the excess, and then take we are going in very slowly, just tapping in and putting up the glitter where we need this. I will take this brush and then I will I did some darkness along, which actually enhanced the all eye. Look, this is how it looks. Clean out along the outer edges. Done. For the fallout, take some tape, the sticky side on the outside, and run it along the fallout. It's a great trick and it works really well. You can't see any fallout. We will be using brown pencil by Mario. Mario came up with these amazing pencils to die for. Lower waterline, and then along the lash line, thin brush. I have many times told about this brush. Pointed brow brush by Sephora. Works really well. This is done. Now we will start fine-tuning this makeup. This is called the fine-tuning, in which you blend everything, cleaning up the edges. Just I do like this, pull out and then pull up. Brush. I took some silver like this one here, and put it right in the center of this makeup, and then I took some more silver from here. This is by Pat McGrath, and I put a little bit here. So this is like mixing of two shades here, both of them metallic, but it brings all the attention to the center of the eye. We'll again go inside the eye with this liner. Give me a minute. We will take this goldenish silver shade, which is by Pat McGrath. You can find any shade that you have, and a bit down. So we are going in and down. I don't know if you could see me. I will do it once again. Inner, down, here. Now for the same, I will take a silver, I will go on top of it and along the inner. So it looks. Now I will take a brush which is a bit of the blending brush to blend everything out. And I think I didn't take it far off out. I will take it here far off out. So this is how the eyes look. I'll be putting on my mascara and my lashes and I will be back. So this is the finished look. This is how the eyes look after all the makeup is done. So here we will finish and then I will be sharing more pictures of the same. Thank you very much for watching.